All right guys, so I'm gonna jump straight into it. So I've just logged into my Zik Analytics account and I've clicked on this section over here where it says category research on the left. So Zik Analytics is a software that I've been using for some time now, and it's helped me out in terms of finding hot selling products on eBay to add to my stores. I use it with Terapeak Research and it's helped me out a lot to find hot selling products. If you also want to be able to have access to Zik Analytics, you can use the link down below, because Zik Analytics have reached out to me and they've given me a special link for all my subscribers that want to use their software, which will take off 50% of your first month's bill with Zik Analytics. So moving on. So I've clicked on category research, and what I'm going to do now that I'm here is scroll down. If I scroll down a bit further, there's more options in terms of other categories to look at, but I'm just going to be looking at the art category for now. And I can see that art drawings has a 4-star rating, which means that the category is performing good. So now that I know that art drawings is a category that's performing good according to Zik Analytics, let me try jump over to Terapeak and try find the product that's selling well in terms of art drawings. So let me do that right now. All right guys, so I've just jumped over to eBay and I've jumped over to Terapeak. For any person that's new to my channel and doesn't know what Terapeak is a software that eBay gives all its sellers if you have an eBay selling account, that allows you to find all the analytics you need to find about any specific product on eBay. You get it for free. You don't have to pay for it if you have an eBay selling account. But if you did want to sign up to an eBay selling account, it's going to cost you roughly £20 per month. But if you already have an eBay selling account because you're already selling on eBay, then you can access it for free. And the way that you find it is that you click on research and then Terapeak product research. And then once you click on that, this is the page you're going to see. Once I'm here, what I'm going to do is type in art drawings, and then as I can see, the first one that comes up is art drawing set, because that was the same name that was on Zik Analytics. So that's what I'm going to be using to search to see if I can find a hot selling product within the art drawing set category. So I'm going to click on that. The next thing I'm going to do is make sure that the date range is set to the whole of December, because what I want to do is make sure that I see the data for the previous month so that I can have an idea of what it's going to do in the following month. If I had more time in this video, what I would do is compare October, November, December, compare the data and see how it's performing over time. But in this video, I'm just going to check it for December, just so I can show you what key metrics I look out for when it comes to finding a hot selling product on eBay. Okay, so now that I've typed in art drawing set, I've set the date range to December. What I'm going to do is click on new, fixed price and best offer accepted. Again, if you're new to my channel, the reason why I click on new is because I'm only going to be selling new items if I do decide to sell this product. Fixed price, because I'm only going to be listing it for buy it now, which is fixed price. I'm not going to be listing it for auction, which is down there. And best offer accepted, because if you put best offer options on your listings, eBay are more likely to rank it higher in the search results. This is why I always put best offer options on all my listings. So that's why I'm going to select it there. And then what I do now is click on research. All right, so straight away we can see that art drawings has a sell-through rate of 39%. When it comes to finding a hot selling product on eBay, I tend to look for products around 40% minimum, maybe 40, 50%. The higher you can get to 100%, the more likely you're going to be able to sell the product. I've personally been able to sell products with a 30%, 40% sell-through rate, but I do like to go for products around 70, 80%. Again, the higher you can get to 100%, the more likely you'll be able to sell the product. The next thing I look out for when it comes to Terapeak is this section here. As you can see, £128,000 was generated amongst every single seller within 1 month that sold a product that had the keyword art drawing set in it. So this is the next metric that I like to look out for. It means that a lot of money is being spent on that specific keyword. So £128,000 and a 39% sell-through rate is absolutely great. So those are the two main things that I like to look out for. So what I'm going to do now is sort this by the highest amount of sales. Okay, so now that I've sorted the sales, as we can see, this seller made £3,459 of this specific product. Let me just click into it just so that we can see exactly what the product is. Okay, and there we go. So this is what the product looks like. As we can see, it's a pencil set that has various different pencils in it, and I believe it's 72 pieces, which means that there's 72 pencils within this set, and they're selling it for around £21. So this is the process that I go through to make sure that a specific category is actually selling well. I make sure that the category is performing well on Zik Analytics. As we can see that it's got 4 stars there in art drawings. I then go over to Terapeak and now type in art drawing set over here, put the date range just so I can compare it to the previous month, make sure I set everything right, and then I have a look at which one sold the most. £3,000 made from one product in 1 month on eBay is not too bad. So the final thing I like to do is go over to Alibaba and make sure that I'll even be able to import the product, because there's no point checking if a product is selling well on Zik Analytics and Terapeak and you're not able to import it. I import all my products using Alibaba. I like to find suppliers on Alibaba. By the way, if you haven't watched my video where I showed you step by step how I contact suppliers on Alibaba, I'm gonna link it above right there. Check that video because it's gonna show you exactly what you need to do to contact suppliers step by step. But what I'm gonna do now is jump over to Alibaba and make sure the product is available. So let's go. All right guys, so I've just jumped over to Alibaba.com. I've typed in artist pencil set. Straight away, I can see that there's this one, which looks very similar to the one that we looked at. This one is 71 pieces, as you can see right there, but it looks very similar to this one. It might even be more or less the same. From what I can see, it basically has all the same types of colors, and you know, this part here with the blue pencils, it also has the blue pencils and the same thing over there. So straight away, I know that I will be able to find art related products on Alibaba if I wanted to. But the thing is, this supply has been there for 3 years. I tend to look for suppliers that have been on Alibaba for around, 5 years minimum, maybe 6 years, 7 years. The more years the supplier has been on Alibaba, the more likely you're gonna have less hassle if you did decide to go with that specific supplier. So this one's been there for 3 years, so you can go with that supplier if you wanted to. But there's also this supplier here that's been there for 13 years. And if you look at the name of the company, it has the word stationery in it, which means that they specialize in stationery. So what I would do is contact this supplier, send them the picture of this one if I wanted to sell this one. The thing is, you could sell this product if you want, because I'm sure if I go back to eBay and type in art drawing set, there's going to be various different types of art drawing sets that were sold on eBay. You don't necessarily need to sell this specific one. So what I'm going to do is type in art drawing set. Okay, so the top one that we saw, here it is. They've been able to sell 720 of this one, but there's other types. So there's this type here. This one's cheaper because it's only 32 pieces, and this one was able to sell 293 of this one. This seller sold 707 of this one. There's different types of art sets that are being sold on eBay. You don't necessarily need to go for this one. As long as you brand your store in the right way, as long as you set up a store and brand it around arts and crafts, or brand it around something to do with paintings or art or anything like that. But if you want an idea on how you can brand your store, check the video above where I showed you exactly how sellers on eBay brand their store in terms of listing templates and store templates and all of that. I've made a video on it. I'm going to link it above because it will give you an idea of how you need to brand your store if you did decide to sell this product. What I would say is go for a supplier like this, even though this is not the exact same product that we need. But you can always contact the supplier, send them a picture of whatever product you want on eBay, and I'm sure that they'll be able to source it for you. So that's the process that I go through, guys, when it comes to checking if a category is selling well. I go to Zik Analytics, check the category, make sure that it's a high performing category in terms of the analytics on Zik Analytics. I then go over to Terapeak, have a look at the data over there, using all the methods and the step-by-step process that I showed you. I then go over to Alibaba to make sure the product is available for me to import, and then I contact the supplier and then import the product. Very simple process. If you did want to start your eBay store in 2021, this is the process that I would advise that you go through. Just make sure you find a hot selling product. Make sure you check all the details in terms of the sell-through rate, the amount of money being spent in that specific market, and then take it from there. I hope you found value in the video, guys. If you did, don't forget to press the like button, as it really helps out the channel in a big way. Whilst you're down there, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss all the weekly videos I'm going to release to help you make money on either eBay or Shopify. Don't forget to add me on Instagram as well, because in 2021, my plan is to do more giveaways. So make sure you add me on Instagram as well. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the video. If you enjoyed it, comment it down below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, guys, make sure you stay safe out there. I'll see you next week. Peace.